It is very common to observe bitterness in the lemon pickle prepared. This bitterness can be removed by using three methods. The first two methods I'll be telling you in this video. The third method I'll be covering in the part 2 of my video. Firstly, while cutting the lemons for the preparation of the lemon pickle, care should be taken that each and every seed should be removed from the lemon pieces before we start, because the main reason for the bitterness in the lemon pickle are the presence of seeds in it. Secondly, when we cut the lemon into two halves, we can observe a center thick portion which is called as the pith. Here I am going to show you which is the pith portion in the half cut lemon. The center thick white portion. We must remove this pith portion before we start pickling. Here I have removed the center pith portion for one half of the lemon, and it looks like this. And after removing the pith portion, the pieces of lemon look like this. In the second method, to remove bitterness, it is important to soak the cut lemon pieces in lukewarm salt water. Let it rest for about 8 hours or overnight. The next day, it is poured on a colander and the liquid is drained out. This helps to remove the bitterness from the lemon, and the pieces are ready for pickling now.